Welcome, Adita Lang from aditalang.com, and in today's class, what are we going to do? We are going to combine Pilates exercise and cardiovascular activity. So I hope to leave you feeling good, refreshed, with a really good posture, because everything is about posture when it comes to this. We become stronger that way. So you're going to want to make sure that you have water, an exercise mat, and a clear area to get started. Ready?
Are you ready?
Let's
to
do
get
this.
started? Here we go.
We're going to take both feet straight out, bring a big deep breath up, and exhale, round your back over, separate your shoulder blades. And again, inhale, take it up, and exhale, round that over, pull it over to one side, and now take it over to the other side, hold it there, and bring it back to center, inhale, and exhale, drop that down. And I just want you to start to roll one shoulder up and then the other. You're gonna sink down into the legs as you go, and you keep rolling one shoulder and the other one. Full inhale, full exhale. Now remember, there's no music going on here so that you can hear me, but be sure to put on your favorite tunes in the background so you have something to follow. Hi, thanks for joining me in today's class. If you'd like to see any more classes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel below and make sure you are in the know so that you keep working and moving every single day. Bye for now.